Hello students of Standard 8. In Geography, you are learning about population. Today, you are going to learn Chapter 2, Population Part 2. Today, you are going to learn about the distribution of population. What do you mean by distribution of population? The manner in which the world population is distributed across the continents is called the distribution of population. If you look at the distribution of population, there are some factors which affect the distribution of population. Everywhere in the world, the population is not evenly distributed. Where there are plain areas, fertile land, or all facilities, there are large number of population. Where there is desert, no facilities at all, there is very less population. So like this, if you see, there are two types of factors which affect the distribution of population. First is the physical factors and second is the cultural or economic factors. First, see the physical factors. First is landforms. Plains have the highest concentrations of population due to flat land suitable for agriculture, industry and the development of transport facilities. Where there is large flat area, there is alluvial soil, there is fertile land for agriculture. The flat land is very good and suitable for the development of all facilities. Industries can be set up there and transport facilities are well developed in the plain areas. So, the landform, mainly the plain areas have high density of population or there is large number of population. Second, climate. Regions having extremely hot or cold climate are thinly populated and regions with moderate temperature and abundant rainfall are densely populated. The areas where there is good climate, people are settled and there is large population. But where there is very high temperature like desert area, where there is no other facilities, very high temperature during the day and night throughout the year, there is very less population. Soil. Areas with fertile soil support large population. For example, the river valleys with fertile alluvial soil are densely populated. Soil is one of the main factors which affect the distribution of population. Where there is good fertile land, people are settled there densely. In the ancient period also, people started to be settled in the river valleys and the areas where there were fertile land. Next is the availability of water. Water is a basic necessity of life. Human settlements always develop near the source of water. Just now I have mentioned where there is water, availability of water, there is people settlement. And in the ancient period, there were developed civilizations and they developed in the river valleys because of the availability of water for various purposes, for agriculture, for domestic purposes, for all their needs, water was available there. Mineral and power resources. The areas that are rich in minerals and resources of power usually support large population. Where there is mineral or sources of power, people are settled largely. For example, in the ancient period, when gold mines were found in Africa or India, people from different areas rushed towards that area because due to the processing, mining and all the development of industries in that area that provided large number of job opportunities. And like that nowadays also, where there is mining area, people are settled largely. And where there is power resources like coal mines or petroleum, where there is availability of mineral fuel, people are also settled largely. So these are the physical factors. Now you see non-physical factors. In non-physical factors, socio-economic and cultural factors affect the distribution of population largely, like political stability. The country where there is political stability, no war, peaceful condition, there people like to live and settled. Availability of educational and health care. So where there is education, higher educational facilities and all the health care facilities like large hospitals, there is high density of population or there is higher population. Presence of industries and employment opportunities. Where there is development of many industries, there is large population. Like in our country, Delhi or Mumbai, Mumbai is called the commercial center of our country, where there are many industries and therefore that is supporting large number of people. And where there is job opportunities or employment, like in the cities, people like to get job there and therefore there is high population. Centers of religious or cultural activity. In our country, the cities of religious importance like Varanasi is famous for its religious importance and therefore there is large number of people living there. And cultural activities where there are large facilities and the tourist centers or the areas where there is all cultural activities take place, there is large number of people and therefore the non-physical factors are also affect the distribution of population. Like there is high population density or distribution of population is largely in the world. The highest population in the world is China. After China, our country, India. Why? Because of all these physical factors and non-physical factors. Do remember? Thank you.